In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money from your Wise account straight into a GCash wallet quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure your Wise account is active and you have the recipient's correct details. You'll need the full name associated with their GCash account and their GCash mobile number. For GCash numbers, use the Philippines country code format. That means you replace the leading 0 with +63 before the rest of the digits. Open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log in. Use a trusted device and a secure connection, and complete any two-factor prompts if asked. Once you're in, look for the Send or Send Money button. This is where you'll set up the transfer. When asked who you're sending to, choose to add a recipient and pick the e-wallet option. From the list of wallet providers, select GCash. Choosing GCash here ensures the money goes into a GCash wallet rather than a bank account. Now enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their GCash profile. Accurate spelling matters, so take a moment to double-check it. Then type the GCash mobile number in international format, using +63 and no leading 0. If there's a country selector, set it to the Philippines to help with formatting and reduce errors. Next, enter the amount you want to send in Philippine pesos. Wise will automatically show you the exchange rate if you're converting from another currency, along with the transfer fee. You'll see a clear breakdown of how much you'll pay and how much the recipient will receive. If you have multiple funding options, choose the Wise balance or payment method you want to use. Before you proceed, review everything on the summary screen: the recipient's name, the GCash provider, the mobile number format, the amount in PHP, the fees, and the estimated delivery time. When you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Wise may ask for a quick verification step for security. After confirmation, your transfer will begin processing. Many transfers arrive quickly, often within hours, and sometimes even sooner. You can track progress in Wise under your Activity or Transfers section. You'll see status updates as it moves along. The recipient should get a GCash notification once the money lands. If it takes longer than the estimate, first review the details you entered, especially the number format and name. If everything looks correct, reach out to Wise support through the Help section for assistance. That's it. Simple, transparent, and fast.